The power of purpose. Why goals matter. Goals give us direction and purpose. They provide a roadmap for our lives. Without clear goals, we drift aimlessly. We lack focus and motivation. Many people fail to achieve their goals because they don't set them effectively. Others get sidetracked by distractions or lose motivation along the way. It's important to understand the importance of setting clear, achievable goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish is crucial for success. Goals should excite and inspire you. They should align with your values and aspirations. When you are passionate about your goals, you are more likely to stay committed. Remember, setting goals is an ongoing process. It's important to regularly review and adjust them as needed. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Setting yourself up for success. The SMART Goals Framework. Setting SMART goals is crucial for success. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of the SMART framework plays a vital role in increasing your chances of achieving your objectives. Specific goals clearly define what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," a specific goal would be, "I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes." Measurable goals allow you to track your progress and stay motivated. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to discouragement. Relevant goals align with your values, interests, and long-term aspirations. Time-bound goals have a deadline, which creates a sense of urgency and accountability. Breaking it down. Achieving big goals through small wins. Breaking down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps is essential for making steady progress. When you have a big goal, it can often feel daunting and overwhelming. However, by dividing it into smaller tasks, you create a clear roadmap that guides you step by step. This approach makes the journey less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small wins along the way, boosting your motivation and confidence. Each small victory serves as a reminder that you are making progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Start by identifying the key milestones that need to be reached in order to achieve your ultimate goal. These milestones act as checkpoints that help you stay on track and measure your progress. Then break down each milestone into smaller, actionable steps that you can work on consistently. This ensures that you are always moving forward, even if the steps are small. For example, if your goal is to write a book, your milestones might include outlining, writing the first draft, editing, and publishing. Each of these stages can be broken down further to make the process more manageable. Each of these milestones can be further divided into smaller steps, such as writing a certain number of words each day or researching literary agents. Remember, consistency is key. By maintaining a regular writing schedule, you build momentum and make steady progress. By focusing on making small, incremental improvements over time, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve in the long run. The cumulative effect of these small steps can lead to significant accomplishments, turning your big dreams into reality. Section 4. Staying on track, monitoring progress and making adjustments. Tracking your progress is crucial for staying motivated and ensuring that you're on track to achieve your goals. Regularly review your goals and assess whether you're making the desired progress. This allows you to make necessary adjustments along the way. There are various methods for tracking progress, such as using a planner, a digital tool, or a simple spreadsheet. Choose a method that works best for you and stick to it consistently. When tracking your progress, it's important to focus on both your accomplishments and areas where you may be facing challenges. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, as they serve as positive reinforcement. If you find yourself consistently falling short of your targets, don't be afraid to reassess your approach. Section 5. Learning from the best success stories and strategies. Examining the journeys of successful individuals can provide valuable insights and inspiration for achieving our own goals. By understanding their paths, we can learn what it takes to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Many high achievers attribute their success to specific strategies and principles they've adopted in their lives. These strategies often include setting clear goals, maintaining a positive mindset, and continuously seeking self-improvement. One common trait among successful people is their unwavering determination and resilience. They push through difficult times with a steadfast focus on their objectives, never losing sight of their end goals. They understand that setbacks and obstacles are an inevitable part of the journey, and they view them as opportunities for growth and learning. This mindset allows them to turn challenges into stepping stones towards success. Another important strategy employed by successful individuals is the power of visualization. By picturing their success in vivid detail, they create a mental roadmap that guides their actions and decisions. They vividly imagine themselves achieving their goals, which helps to reinforce their commitment and belief in their ability to succeed. This practice boosts their confidence and keeps them motivated. Furthermore, successful people often surround themselves with supportive and like-minded individuals who encourage and inspire them. This network provides emotional support and practical advice. Seeking out mentors or joining communities of individuals striving towards similar goals can provide invaluable support and accountability. These relationships can offer guidance, share experiences, and help keep one on track towards their aspirations. Section 6. The power of persistence, overcoming challenges, and staying motivated. In this section, we will explore the importance of persistence and how to stay motivated even when the going gets tough. Persistence is essential for achieving long-term goals. It's the driving force that keeps you moving forward, even when faced with difficulties. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way, but it's crucial to maintain a positive mindset and persevere through challenges. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. When faced with adversity, remind yourself of your why, the reason why you set out to achieve this goal in the first place. Your why can serve as a powerful motivator to keep you going. Break down larger challenges into smaller, more manageable steps, and focus on making progress one step at a time. This approach makes daunting tasks feel more achievable and less overwhelming. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Recognizing and rewarding your progress can boost your morale and keep you focused on your ultimate goal. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement and guidance. Their support can be invaluable during tough times. Remember that setbacks are temporary and part of the learning process. Each failure is a stepping stone towards success, teaching you valuable lessons along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Seeking assistance is a sign of strength, not weakness, and can provide you with the support you need to overcome challenges. Seeking support from others can provide valuable insights and perspectives. Sometimes a fresh viewpoint can help you see solutions you might have missed. Visualize your success and focus on the positive outcomes of achieving your goals. Visualization can be a powerful tool to keep you motivated and on track. Most importantly, believe in yourself and your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve anything you set your mind to. Confidence in your abilities is key to staying motivated and persistent. Section 7. Conclusion: your journey to achieving your dreams. Achieving your goals is a journey that requires commitment, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By setting smart goals, breaking them down into smaller steps, tracking your progress, and staying motivated, you can overcome challenges and achieve success. Remember that setbacks are opportunities for growth, and persistence is key. Surround yourself with a supportive network and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Dream big, set clear goals, and take consistent action. The power to achieve your dreams lies within you. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never give up on your aspirations.